Hi everyone! So today I decided to create this kind of bubblegum makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to take my Sailor Moon and ColourPop collaboration palette, and from that palette I'm going to use the shade Miracle Romance and put that shade all over my crease. Again, taking the shade Miracle Romance and putting that shade all over my crease as well on the other eye. And then I'm taking my ABH Norvina collection palette, and from that palette, I'm taking the second shade from the first row and putting that shade all over my eyelid. So this look requires a lot of blending, so what I like to do first is take a little amount of that purple shade that we used all over the eyelid and then go back in and build it up, if that makes any sense. Sorry guys, I suck at explaining things. And then right after, I go back in with the shade Miracle Romance and blend those two colors together. Again, I'm packing in that purple shade that we used from the ABH Norvina collection palette and putting that all over the eyelid again on my other eye. And then I just repeat the steps that I did on my other eye. Just keep blending those two colors together and then packing each color back in again. So now that the eyes are done, I'm first going to use my Agave lip balm first, just because my lips are dry before I start doing my face makeup. So now I'm going to use my Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream Moisturizer. So for my primer, I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. For my foundation, I actually mixed two of my foundations, just because the first one that I wanted to use, which was my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, I actually got it in the wrong shade. So I mixed it with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, just so it'll give me that correct shade. My concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. So to set my concealer in place and bake under my eyes, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So while my face is baking, I'm going to use my Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight. So to contour my face, I'm going to use my Benefit Hulu Bronzer. So true. It's just me and my boo. For blush, I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur in, I think, Mauve Sunrise? I think that's how you say it. For highlight, I have two that I'm going to use. The first one I'm going to use is my Morphe and Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. And then I'm going to take my Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Extra. For lips, I'm going to use my Dior liquid lipstick in Rogue. Finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of bubblegum makeup tutorial kind of look. Honestly, I don't even know what to call this look, but the colors that I used remind me of a bubblegum, so I'm just gonna call it the bubblegum look. But if you did enjoy this tutorial, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do, if that makes sense. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!